Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome to another Tablescape Tuesday. Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and she has invited me to be a special guest today. I am so elated that she has invited me to be a special guest for today's Tablescape theme of pumpkins and pine cones. So as you can see here, Tablescape Tuesdays are hosted every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you like to style your tables, please feel free to join us. I will post the collaboration rules at the end of this video. Now, in addition to watching my video until the end, please be so kind to click on the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and see what she has for you today for Tablescape Tuesdays, pumpkin and pine cones, as well as all of the other participants in this open collab. I am sure that you will get some ideas and inspiration for creating a beautiful tablescape in your home. All right, so without further ado, let's move to my tablescape theme of pumpkins and pine cones. All right, so here is my tablescape styled with pumpkins and pine cones. So let's start off with the place setting. So on the place settings, I have a leaf mat at the bottom of my layering as the base. And you've seen these guys before on my tablescapes. These came from Hobby Lobby. And then I have my braided placemats, and they came from Hobby Lobby, and I think 2 came from Target. Then I have my charger, my sage green charger that came from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have these breakfast plates. I call them breakfast plates. So they're my more casual plates that came from IKEA. And then I have these bread plates that have gather on them, and I got those a couple of years ago from the Dollar Tree. Then I have these cute little napkins, and I want to say I picked those up. You know, they have some stitching at the end, and I want to say I picked those up from Home Goods. And then I have the cutest little napkin rings, little turkey napkin rings, and I got those from Hobby Lobby. So I kind of like the way the layering all turned out. And then I have my, other accents of an acorn and a pine cone candle. And I believe I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. And then on to my centerpiece, I have this beautiful amber vase that I got from Target. It was $19.99, and I've showed you this vase on previous tablescapes in the past few months or so. Now inside of that beautiful vase, I have some more pine cones, and you guys know that I like lights, those of you who frequent my channel. So I popped some fairy lights in the midst of the pine cones, and then I've added some fall leaves, which is still fall. I know everybody's getting ready for the Christmas holiday, and I actually had to take these back out, guys, because I had put them away. But I have these fall leaves, and then I have these cute little pumpkin stems that I got from Hobby Lobby probably about 2 or 3 years ago, and they're still hanging in there. So that's what I have for my centerpiece. And so, I have this pretty table runner, and I want to say I got this sage green table runner some time ago, and I got that from Home Goods. I really like their table runners. So this is my pumpkins and pine cones table styling, and this is a perfect way to style a table for Thanksgiving, or if you are doing any entertaining up until Thanksgiving, because pretty much after that, your table will be set for the Christmas holiday. But this is a beautiful way to style a table for Thanksgiving or for fall in general. So this is, it's not a whole lot of fuss. It's not overwhelming. and I think it has just the perfect amount of decor on it. I started to put some candles on it, but I thought to myself, with the fairy lights and the pine cone candle, I thought that what I have here is sufficient. So I thought this came out quite nicely, and I certainly hope you do as well. So I thought that adding fairy lights gives the table a nice change of pace from the standard candles, gives a nice ambiance, particularly it's afternoon here, but if this were in the evening, I mean, it gives a nice evening ambiance. If your lights are dimly lit, it would be very pretty in here. So I hope that you guys like this video today. I hope you like my table styling. If you do, please be so kind to give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join Jean Home Decor and more. Please don't forget to stop by the other channels and see what they have for you today in the way of styling their tables with pumpkins and pine cones. You guys have an amazing week. Today is Monday, November the 10th. So you guys have an amazing week. Be safe, and until the next one, bye-bye.